You're going to use a protein supplement, and here are the most important things you should know about it and protein consumption overall. Your body can digest more than 20 to 30 grams at once. You don't need to have one protein shake straight after your training to ensure your gains. You could have protein powder even on the days that you're not training. No, they're not just for building muscle, nor they will speed up your metabolism significantly. They can help you lose body fat. And the reason is because they can help you feel more fuller, also support your energy expenditure through the thermic effect of food. Protein powders are not bad for your kidneys unless you already have a pre-existing kidney condition. Even though they are great, try not to have more than 50 to 60 grams per day from protein powders, because you want to have a good proportion of your protein coming from real whole foods protein sources, not just this. And no, men and women don't need to use different protein powders. It's the same thing. It's just marketing. You can mix protein powder with anything as a way to fortify the nutritional value and protein content of your meal. You don't truly need to take protein shakes, but they're handy, convenient, and a very easy way to get in more protein during the day. If your requirements are higher in specific situations or conditions, or if you aren't a protein lover. This is the brand I use for my creamies, for my recipes, shakes, and smoothies. But you don't need to use this brand. You could use any other brand. Just get any protein powder of your preference if you already have one, and use it in your advantage whenever you need to. You're welcome.